What is RA 9262, or Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004? It is a law that seeks to address the prevalence of violence against women and their children, or VAUC, by their intimate partners, like their husband or ex-husband, live-in partner or former live-in partner, boyfriend or girlfriend, or ex-boyfriend or girlfriend, dating partner or former dating partner. What is violence against women and their children, or VAUC, under Republic Act 9262? It refers to any act or series of acts committed by an intimate partner who the woman had or sexual dating relationship, against a woman who is his wife, former wife, against a woman with whom the person has or had a sexual or dating relationship, against a woman with whom he has a common child, against her child, whether legitimate or illegitimate, within or without the family abode, of which results in or likely to result in physical, sexual, psychological harm or suffering, or economic abuse, including threats of such acts, battery, assault, coercion, harassment, or arbitrary deprivation of liberty. What are the acts of violence which are covered under Republic Act 9262? Republic Act 9262 covers the several acts of violence, which are 1. Physical violence, 2. Sexual violence, 3. Psychological violence, and economic abuse. Who are the persons covered or protected under Republic Act 9262? The law recognizes the unequal relations between a man and a woman in an abusive relationship where the woman is usually at a disadvantage. The following are the persons who are protected by Republic Act 9262. Wife, former wife, a woman with whom the offender has or had sexual relations, a woman with whom the offender has a common child, and with the legitimate or legitimate child of the woman within or without the family abode. What can women and children do under Republic Act 9262? Under the law, the offended party may file a criminal action or apply for a protection order, either as an independent action or as an incident in civil or criminal action and other remedies. Who may file a complaint under Republic Act 9262? Any citizen having personal knowledge of the circumstances involving the commission of the crime may file a complaint because violence against women and their children is considered a public crime. Where should cases for VAUC be filed? Cases may be filed in the regional trial court designated as the family court of the place where the crime was committed. These courts have original and exclusive jurisdiction over these cases. What are the penalties for committing VAUC? Offenders proven in court to be guilty of the crime shall be penalized with imprisonment ranging from 1 month and 1 day to 20 years, payment of 100,000 to 300,000 pesos in damages, mandatory psychological counseling, or psychiatric treatment. Where to seek help if you are a victim of VAUC? Barangay VAU desk in your barangay hall, the Provincial City Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office of Local Government Units, and the Philippine National Police, particularly the Women and Children Protection Desk Center. That's all.